A. A is for apple.
Apple mani seb.
B is for ball.
Bal mani gend.
C is for cat.
Cat mani bale.
D is for dog.
Dog mani kutta.
E is for elephant.
Elephant mani hathi.
F is for fish.
Fish mani machli.
G is for goat.
Goat mani bikri.
H is for hat.
Hat mani topi.
I is for igloo.
Igloo mani igloo.
J is for juice.
Juice mani sharbat.
K is for kangaroo.
Kangaroo mani kangaroo.
L is for lion.
Lion mani sher.
M is for monkey.
Monkey mani bandar.
N is for nest.
Nest mani ghosla.
O is for orange.
Orange mani malta.
P is for peacock.
Peacock mani more.
Q is for queen.
V mani malika.
R is for rat.
Rat mani chuha.
S is for sunflower.
Sunflower mani surajmukhi ka phool.
T is for tiger.
Tiger mani cheetah.
U is for umbrella.
Umbrella mani chhatri.
V is for violin.
Violin mani guitar.
W is for water.
Water ka mani pani.
X is for X-ray.
X-ray mani X-ray.
Y is for yellow.
Yellow mani pila.
Z is for zebra.
Zebra mani zebra.